Portage. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mahoning County, southern Portage County, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 8 miles southeast of Kent and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Youngstown, Sebring, Canfield, Boardman, Campbell. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning and Portage.
The forecast for Cleveland and vicinity.